Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a new Plex account. If you are ready to organize and stream your media anywhere with Plex, first of all, creating a Plex account lets you access your movies, TV shows, music, and photos across devices and enables premium features if you choose Plex Pass. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, download and open up the Plex application on your smartphone or your tablets. Once you're inside the welcome screen, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Sign Up to start creating a new account. In the sign up form on the next page, go ahead and enter an email address you want to sign up with. You can also sign up with Google or Apple account if available. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter a valid email address. After typing down an email, create a password on the next field. While creating a password, make sure your password meets these criteria at the bottom. Finally, after you are done, click on Create an Account. Now, allow necessary permissions such as notifications, and then you have successfully created a new account on Plex. You can now add your media library, customize your profile, access Plex on any supported devices with the credentials. That is how you can easily create a new account on Plex. You don't need a Plex Pass to just use Plex. A free account is enough to stream your personal media. But if you'd like to subscribe to Plex Pass, then you can also do this without thinking twice. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.